Good morning, dear student. This is the grammar class. Today we are going to solve one question related with our clauses. Okay? Underline the conditional clauses in the following sentences. Separate them from the main clauses and write them in the table given below. Okay? In this example, you want to solve this question according to this question. Conditional clauses. You want to separate main clause and conditional clause, and then we want to put that sentence into conditional clause and main clause. Okay, we want to keep. Okay, look here. The first one. If you wish to take initiative, you should be ready to bear the risk as well. Okay. In this example, we want to underline. Okay, underline the conditional clause. If you wish to take initiative, it is a conditional clause. Remember this. Okay. This is the conditional clause. Okay? Conditional clause. We underline here. Okay? And then you should be ready to bear the risk as well. It is a main clause. You want to write this conditional clause in conditional clause column. Look here. Here is two columns. The first one is main clause and second one is conditional clause. You want to write if you wish to take initiative in this column. If you take, okay, if you wish to take initiative, in this way you can write here. Okay, you can write here conditional clause. Okay, and then main clause you should write here. Okay, that means you should be ready. You should be ready. The remaining part as it is. Okay, remaining part as it is you can write here in two columns. Conditional clause you can write here conditional clause and then main clause. That means you want to separate conditional clause and main clause. Okay, the second example is here. No TV channel can be perfect unless it makes the audience live through the experience of its programs. Okay, in this example you want to underline the conditional clause. Okay, if you observe, look here, unless it makes the audience live through the experience of its program, it is a conditional clause. Okay, it is a conditional clause. हे काय आहे? अर्थदर्शक उपवाक्य आहे. Conditional clause. Okay, it is a conditional clause. You want to keep this conditional clause in this box, and then remaining part. No TV channel can be perfect. Okay, you want to keep this sentence into main clause. Okay, in this way you can separate the main clause and conditional clause. Now the third sentence is here. You should acquire new skill if you wish to feel grounded. Okay, in this example, look here. If you wish to feel grounded. Okay, if you wish to feel grounded, in this example, this is a conditional clause. Okay, this is a conditional clause. Conditional clause. And the remaining one, you should acquire new skill. It is a main clause. Put the conditional clause if. Okay, you can easily find starting word unless if it shows the conditional clause. वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला अनलेस किंवा इफ आले तर ते काय दाखवतात? कंडिशनल क्लॉज दाखवतात. खूप महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा, म्हणजे आपल्याला ओळखायला सोपं जाईल की अनलेस ने सुरू होणारं वाक्य कंडिशन दाखवतो किंवा इफ ने सुरू होणार. ओके, इन सिंपल लँग्वेज यू कॅन इझिली अंडरस्टँड. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन. यस, कॉमा, Baker will contact you. Baker will contact you, comma, if he gets time. In this example, the main sentence is here. Yes, Baker will contact you. It is a main clause, and you want to underline the conditional clause. So underline here. If he gets time, it is a conditional clause. हे conditional. Condition म्हणजे काय? अर्थदर्शक वाक्य. काहीतरी अर्थ दाखवलेली असेल, ज्याचा रिझल्ट हा असो. Result. Okay. Condition. This is a condition and it is a result. Okay, अर्थ क्या है? अर्थ परिणाम हा असतो. Okay, now look here. You want to write if he gets time in conditional clause and the remaining part. Yes, they will contact you in the main clause. Now the next sentence. You cannot enter the unit unless you wear a proper uniform. In this example, if you observe, look here, starting from unless you wear a proper uniform. Unless you wear a proper uniform, it is a conditional clause. Okay, it is a conditional clause. It is a conditional clause, and then remaining part, you cannot enter the unit. It is a main clause. Keep this sentence in this. Keep this part into main clause, and unless you wear a proper uniform, this part you want to keep in a conditional clause. Now the sixth example, look here. I cannot help you unless you tell me everything. In this example, you want to underline the conditional clause. You can underline from here, unless you tell me everything. Unless you tell me everything, it is a conditional clause, and the main part, I cannot help you, it is a main clause. Okay, you can keep this main clause into main clause column. We want to separate the two clauses. The first one is conditional clause and the second one is main clause. Okay, and first, before you separate them, first underline the conditional clause and then write, or you can put, or you can keep there in conditional clauses. Okay, it is a conditional clause. Conditional clause. Okay, next is seventh number example. Do not leave unless I get ready. Okay, in this example, unless I get ready, it shows the condition. Okay, it shows the condition. Unless I get ready. Okay, it is one condition, and the effect here, look here, do not leave. Okay, that shows, and it is a main point, do not leave. Okay, and the main thing is unless I get ready, it is a condition which shows through this word unless. Okay, unless I get ready, you can write here conditional clause, and the remaining part in main clause. Okay, then example number 8. If your parents disapprove, you should change your career plans. Okay, if your parents disapprove, it is a conditional clause. If your parents disapprove, okay, you can write here or first underline this conditional clause. Conditional clause means okay, conditional clause, and you should change your career plans. It is a main clause. Okay. Now the 9th number is what do you plan to buy if you get your first salary? It is very important question. Many times someone asks you, what do you plan to buy if you get your first salary? जर तुम्हाला पहिली तुमची पगार मिळाली तर तुम्हाला काय खरेदी करायला आवडेल? Okay, look here. In this example, if you get your first salary, it is a condition. Okay, it shows the condition. It shows the condition. Now it is a conditional clause. Okay, it is a conditional clause. You can keep these words into conditional clause, and the remaining part, what do you plan to buy, you want to keep in the main clause. Now the last one is here. You cannot join the street party unless you participate in the marathon race. Okay, look here, you cannot join the street party unless you participate in the marathon race. It is a conditional clause. You can keep this part into conditional clause. Okay, you want to write that part or write that words into conditional clause and the remaining part into main clause. In this way, you can easily solve the whole question related with conditional clause. You can separate the main clause and conditional clause with the help of this chart. Okay, thank you.